morning, everyone. Our esteemed headmistress, prestigious guests, all the guardians, and my lovely students. On behalf of the entire school family, Avni Rai Shiksha Niketan, I, Ishita Gupta, with my co-anchor, Mrs. Urmila Singh, welcome you all today in this virtual event. Now, we are going to start a different type of program where we can have some virtual experiences arranged by our school. It is a virtual quiz competition. As we are going through a very challenging phase due to COVID-19, we are experimenting continuously to encourage our children with various activities. And this quiz competition is a little presentation of this experimental journey. Our students who are performing today worked very hard from the very first day. And this is the final day of their presenting their skill. So all of you please stay connected to enjoy the exciting brain game. Now, I want to request my co-anchor, Mrs. Urmila Singh, to say something.
Thank you, my co-anchor, Mrs. Ishita Gupta. नमस्कार, माननीय अतिथि महोदय एवं उपस्थित सभी सदस्यों का हार्दिक स्वागत एवं अभिनंदन है। मैं उर्मिला सिंह आज डिजिटल मीडिया के द्वारा क्विज प्रतियोगिता करने जा रहे हैं, जिसमें हमारे स्कूल के बच्चों ने हमारा सहयोग किया है। हम इसको सफलतापूर्वक डिजिटल माध्यम के द्वारा आपके सामने प्रस्तुत करने जा रहे हैं। Let's start our quiz competitions 2021 on virtual platform. Group A, we have two teams, Group A and Group B. Group A, introduce yourself.
Good morning to all teachers and guardians. Myself, Aarti Das from class 5-6 Abhilash Shanketan.
Good morning to all of my respected teachers and guardians. Myself, Komal Poddar from class 7 Abnira Shiksha Niketan.
Good morning to all my respected teachers present here and dear guardians. Myself, Tarunya Kholar from class 6 Avani Roy Shiksha Niketan.
Now, Group B, introduce yourself.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning to all respected teachers. I am Sujit Kumar Saw from class 8 Abni Roy Shiksha Niketan.
Good morning to all respected teachers present here. Myself, Pijus Temnath from class 8, Abhinay Shiksha Niketan.
Good morning to all respected teachers present here. My name is Bithika Mandal from class 6, Avanira Shiksha Niketan.
Okay. In these quiz competitions, we have 4 rounds. First round is innings round. Second round is clipping round. Third round is googly round. And fourth round is rapid round. Let's start our first round, that is innings round. In innings round, there will be 3 attempts. First attempt, second attempt, and third attempt. If they answer correct in first attempt, they will score 50 points. If they attempt in second attempt, they will score 30 points. And in third attempt, they will score 10 points. Let's start our innings round. Group A, this is question for you. You have 4 questions. You have to answer in first attempt, second attempt, and third attempt. You get 3 attempts. Let's start with who won the gold medal from India in Tokyo Olympics 2020. Again, I am repeating the question. Who won the gold medal from India in Tokyo Olympics 2020? Your options are Mirabai Chanu, Neeraj Chopra, Vignesh Phogat, PV Sindhu. Mirabai Chanu, Neeraj Chopra, Vignesh Phogat, PV Sindhu. Group A, yes, Komal, say the answer.
Neeraj Chopra.
Neeraj Chopra. Very good. You scored 50 points.
Thank you, ma'am.
Next question for Group A. Who was the writer of Ramcharitmanas? Who was the writer of Ramcharitmanas? Surdas, Haridas, Kalidas, and Tulsidas.
Kalidas.
Group A, please answer it.
Ma'am, Tulsi Das.
Tulsi Das, very good, Tarunya. You score 50 points. Your third question is, Dhanraj Pillai was associated with, your options are football, cricket, hockey, lawn tennis. Football, cricket, hockey, lawn tennis.
Ma'am,
Group
hockey.
A.
Ma'am, hockey.
Yes, it is hockey. You scored 50 points. Group A, last question.
The question is, who is the first Nobel Prize winner from Asia? The options are C.V. Raman, Rajiv Gandhi, Mother Teresa, Rabindranath Tagore. Madam, please say which group will answer it.
Group A,
Ma'am, Rabindranath Tagore.
Rabindranath Tagore. Yes, it is right answer. You scored 50 points.
I am reading the questions for you all. And madam, when you will see the screen, please respond me. Then I will stop. Okay. Question is, after how many years India men's hockey team won the bronze medals? 21 years, 12 years, 41 years, 14 years. Madam, please say which group will answer. Group B.
Group B, say the answer. Group B.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
can I say?
41 years.
41 years. Very good, Vidika. You scored 50 points for your team.
Thank you, ma'am.
Next questions to Group B.
The sea route to India was discovered by Vasco da Gama, Columbus, Amundsen, or none of these. Sea route to India was discovered by Vasco da Gama, Columbus, Amundsen, or none of these. Read the answer. Sea route to India was discovered
Ma'am,
by.
Vasco da Gama.
Your answer is right, Vasco da Gama.
Thanks, ma'am.
Very good, children. Keep it up. Keep your energy up. Very nice game you are playing. So keep your energy up. Smile. Where is your smile? Don't get tensed. Very nice game you are playing. Next question. Which of the following temple is situated in Assam? Shiva temple, Kamakhya temple, Siddhi Vinayak temple, Brahma temple.
Group B, please answer it.
Ma'am, Kamakhya temple.
Kamakhya temple. Very good.
Thanks, ma'am.
You scored 50 points.
We are moving to our next question. Badrinath is situated on the bank of river. The options are Ganga, Alakananda, Yamuna, Mahanadi. Badrinath is situated on the bank of river. Which river? Options are Ganga, Alakananda, Yamuna, Mahanadi.
Group B, please answer it.
Ma'am, Mahanadi, ma'am.
Yes, say. No, this one is your wrong answer. Go for second attempt.
Ma'am, Ganga.
No, this one is also wrong. Last and final attempt.
Ma'am, Alakananda.
Alaknanda. Very good, Piyush. You scored 10 points for your team.
This is the reduced marks they are getting, no? After third attempt?
Yes, they scored 10 points.
Yes. If they could have answered in the first attempt, they would have got how many marks? How many points?
50 points. 50 points.
Otherwise, 10. In third attempt, they are getting 10 points. Ishita madam, please tell the marks clearly. What is the final marks for group A and what is the final mark for group B?
Yes. End of the end of the round A, round number 1. Score of group A is 200 and score of group B is 160.
Okay, thank you. So clipping round, madam, please continue. Ishita madam, if you want, you can go out of the meeting and rejoin it. Urmila madam can see it, so you take a try. Group A question. First question. Identify the famous personality. Can you see the picture on the
Yes,
screen,
ma'am.
children?
Yes, ma'am.
I can see it, ma'am.
Okay, Madam can see also. Very good.
You have to identify the famous personality. She is an American astronaut with Indian origin. She is also an engineer who was, she was the first woman of Indian origin to go to the space. And you have to identify this famous personality now. You will get only
Ma'am.
one chance. Each question contains 10 marks.
Ma'am,
This question is for group A. Yes, this is right answer, Kalpana Chawla. So 10 marks for group A.
Thank you, ma'am.
We are moving to our next question.
You have to identify the famous place. It is located in the holy city of Sikhs. You can see its color and the water in front of it. It is famous for its color. Raja Ranjit Singh built it in his time. You have to
Ma'am.
identify this famous place. This question is for group A. Yes, Tarunya?
Ma'am, Golden Temple.
Golden Temple. Very good, Tarunya. Again, 10 marks for group A.
Every time that I farted, are you gonna stop me? No, I'm not. You disgust me. Hakuna Matata. What a wonderful phrase. Hakuna Matata. Ain't no passing craze.
It means no worries for the rest of your day.
Yeah, sing it, kid. It's a problem-free philosophy. Hakuna Matata.
Your question is, who is the main character of this movie? Who is the main characters of this movie? Who is the main character of this movie?
Ma'am,
Yes.
the baby lion. The baby lion.
The baby lion. Simba. Okay. Again, 10 points for group A. Well played, Tarunya.
Thank you, ma'am.
We are moving to our next clip.
Okay. We have shown you a video. Now you have to tell me what is the name of the movie and the name of the director of this movie. You have to tell me two answers, the name of the movie and the director of the movie. This question is also for group A.
Ma'am, the name of the movie is Pather Panchali. Pather Panchali.
Pather Panchali. And what is the name of the director? Time over. Only 5 marks for group A. Komal, you are correct. The name of the movie is Pather Panchali and the name of the director is Sri Satyajit Ray. Okay. We are moving to the next question. This question is for group B. Identify the famous personality and tell his full name. Who is this famous personality? You have to tell me his full name. He was an Indian aerospace scientist who served as the second president of India from 2002 to 2007. Yes, Sujit.
Ma'am, APJ Abdul Kalam.
No, this is not his full name. You have to tell me the full form of APJ. Anyone else from this group? Bitika, Piyush? What is the full form of the name of this famous personality?
Ma'am, Abul Pakir Jainul Abdul
Yes.
Kalam.
Yes, try again, Sujit. Sorry, Piyush.
Ma'am, Abul Pakir Jainuddin Abul Kalam.
Abul Pakir Jainuddin Abul Kalam. Okay, Abdul Kalam, sorry. Yes, your answer is correct. So 10 marks for group B. The next question. You have to identify this famous spot. You have to identify this state. It is the northernmost state of India. It is also a union territory and it is called the heaven on earth.
Ma'am,
Yes, Sujit. Sorry, Piyush.
ma'am, Kashmir.
Kashmir. Very good. 10 marks for group B. Answer is Kashmir. It is called the heaven on earth. Now we are going to the next clippings.
ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूं जहाँ में याद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूं जहाँ में याद रहे तू, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन.
Your question is, what is the female character? What is the female character played by Alia Bhatt in this movie? What is the female character? What is the name of the female character played by Alia Bhatt in this movie? I hope you all can recognize the name of the movie. Yes, Bitika?
Ma'am, Razi.
No.
No, movie name is not.
Female character. So, 0 for group B because there is only one attempt in this clipping round. 0 for group B.
Shall we show the answer, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. The right answer is Sehmat. You have to tell me the name of the character. Okay. Not the movie name or not the name of the actress. Now we are going to the next
उड़ने
bit.
को तू आजाद है, बंधन को ही अब है कहाँ. धूप है झम से दिखाए, तू है नदी ओ बेखबर, बह चल कहीं उड़ चल कहीं, दिल खुश जहाँ तेरी तो मंजिल है वही.
Your question is, what is the name of the singer of this song? What is the name of the singer of this song? What is the name of the singer? This question is also for group B. What is the name of the singer? Participants from group B, this is your question. What is the name of the singer?
Only 30 seconds is there.
Ma'am, R.K. Rahman.
R.K. Rahman. No.
No, this is wrong answer. So 0 for group B. Now you can see the right answer in the screen. Raman Mahadevan. The name of the singer is Raman Mahadevan. Okay. So end of round 2. Number of group A is 35 and number of group B is 20. Okay. Well played group A, and group B you have to compete hard. Okay. Now we are starting our third round. This is a very interesting and intellectual round. You have to think something differently. This is our googly round. So first question for group A. Each question contains 10 marks and you will get only one attempt. People buy me to eat, but never eat me. What am I? People buy me to eat, but never eat me. What am I? This question is for group A. Yes, Komal.
Ma'am, plates, bowl, etc.
Plates, bowl, etc. Plates and cutlery sets and bowl, etc. Very good. Right answer.
Thank you, ma'am.
So 10 marks for group A. Second question. I shoot, but never kill. What am I? I shoot, but never kill. What am I? I shoot, but never kill. What am I? This question is also for group A. You will get only one attempt. If you answer correctly, you will
Ma'am,
get 10 marks. Yes, Tarunya, try.
Camera.
Camera, very good. This is right answer, camera. 10 marks for group A. We are going to the next question. Which number replace the question mark? Okay. See the triangles and see all the numbers carefully. Okay, and answer the puzzle. Okay. Can you see the picture clearly showing in the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Solve the puzzle and answer me. Which number replace the question mark?
Ma'am, can I say the answer?
Yes, Komal.
Ma'am, 6.
No,
6.
this is wrong answer, Komal.
8.
You will get only one attempt, so you will get 0. 0 for group A. You can see the right answer in the screen. This is 8. Just add the left and right 6 and 6, 12, and then deduct 4 from the 12. And the answer is 8. Okay. Now I am going to the next question. What appears once in every minute, twice in every moment, but not once in 1,000 years? I am repeating the question again. What appears once in every minute, twice in every moment, but not once in 1,000 years?
Ma'am, may I say?
Yes, Tarunya.
M.
M. The letter M. We can see M is once in a minute, the spelling minute, and twice in the spelling moment, but not in 1,000. Okay. So 10 marks for group A. So question is for group B. I am clean when I am black. I am clean when I am black, but I am dirty when I become white. What am I? I am repeating the question. I am clean when I am black, but I am dirty when I became white. What am I?
Ma'am, blackboard.
Blackboard. Very good. 10 marks for group B.
Thanks, ma'am.
We are going to our next question. I get smaller every time I take a bath. I get smaller every time I take a bath. What am I? I am repeating once again. I get smaller every time I take a bath. What am I? You have to answer in 30 seconds. This question is for group B. I get smaller every time I take a bath. What am I?
Ma'am, soap.
Ma'am, may I say?
Yes, Bitika.
Ma'am, soap.
So this is the right answer, soap. Soap gets smaller every time when it's take a bath, right? So this is the right answer. 10 marks for group B.
Thanks, ma'am.
Okay. Now I am going to the next question. How many cheese sandwiches can you eat on an empty stomach? How many cheese sandwiches can you eat on an empty stomach? I am repeating once again. How many cheese sandwiches can you eat on an empty stomach?
Ma'am.
Yes, Pijush.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, 1.
Pijush. Only one.
Only 1.
Okay. So 10 marks for group B. কেন আমরা একটাই খেতে পারি? কারণ একটা খাওয়ার পরে আমাদের স্টমাকটা আর ফুল থাকছে না, অলরেডি সেখানে একটা প্রেজেন্ট আছে, একটা স্যান্ডউইচ থেকে গেছে, সেকেন্ডটা আসার আগেই একটা থেকে গেছে। ওকে, সো আই এম গোয়িং টু দ্য নেক্সট কোয়েশ্চেন। হোয়াট স্টার্ট উইথ টি, ends with T and full of tea? What start with T, ends with T and is full of tea?
Ma'am, teapot, ma'am.
Teapot. Very good.
Thanks,
so 10
ma'am.
points for group B. Well played, group B. So after the third round, number of group A is 30 marks and number of group B is 40 marks. Okay, Group A 30, Group B 40. And now I want to pass the fourth round to my co-anchor, Mrs. Urmila Singh.
Okay, thank you, Ishita. Our fourth round is rapid round. Fourth round and final round. That is our rapid round. In this round, both Group A and Group B attempt the answer by raising their hand. Okay? All of you raise your hand and say the answer. Whichever team will raise the hand first and give the correct answer, that team will score 10 points. That team will score 10 points. If that team answers incorrectly, then that team will score -5. And the same question will be passed to the opposite team. If they answer it correctly, then they score +5. समझ में आया इस राउंड का?
Yes, ma'am.
सबके लिए एक जैसा क्वेश्चन रहेगा. इसमें ग्रुप ए ग्रुप बी को पास नहीं किया जाएगा. इसमें जो पहले रेज करेगा उसी को आंसर होगा और उसी टीम को पॉइंट मिलेगा. ओके? अगर ग्रुप ए अगर आंसर रॉन्ग दे रहा है तो -5 हो जाएगा. ये क्वेश्चन पास टू ग्रुप बी होगा. तब अगर ग्रुप बी आंसर सही दे रहा है तो उसको +5 होगा. Okay, let's start our fourth and final round. That is our rapid round. All of you, when I am saying the questions, I am repeating 2 times the question, then you will tell the answer. Okay? Which planet is closest to the sun? Which planet is closest to the sun? Yes? Yes, Sujit, say the.
Ma'am, Mercury.
Mercury, very good. Group B scored 10 points. Mercury is the smallest planet on the solar system. Okay. Next question. Which is the largest ocean in the world? Which is the largest ocean in the world? This one is for Tarunya. Tarunya, say the answer. Say one again. Pacific Ocean. It is the largest ocean in the world. Thank you, Tarunya.
Thank you, ma'am.
Nobody will be raise your hand after I am completing the question. Okay? All of you raise your hand after I am completing the question. What do tadpoles turn into? What do tadpoles turns into? Yes, Sujit?
Ma'am, frog.
Frog is the right answer, but I will give you 10 points, but it is tiny frog. Okay?
Ma'am.
This is your tiny frog, then it will turn into frog. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
What is the color of giraffe's tongue? What is the color of giraffe's tongue? Aarti?
Ma'am, blue.
Blue. Yes, it is blue, but not blue, it is purple blue. Okay, the color of giraffe tongue is purple blue. I am giving you a 10 points because you are telling the blue. It is purple blue. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Next question. What does a botanist study? What does a botanist study? Yes, Tarunya.
About plants.
Say, Tarunya. About plants. Good, Tarunya. You scored 10 points. Group
Thank you,
A scored 10 points. About plant. Next question. What type of animal is Labrador? What type of animal is Labrador? Yes, Sujit?
Ma'am, dog.
Dog. Dog is your right answer.
Thanks, ma'am.
Next question. What is the name of the actor portraying Harry Potter? What is the name of the actor portraying Harry Potter? एक्टर का नाम क्या था हैरी पॉटर में? एक्टर का नाम बताना है. No one?
Ma'am,
Komal has raised the hand.
Yes, yes. Komal, say the answer.
ma'am, Daniel Radcliffe.
Okay, this is the right answer.
Ma'am, Daniel.
This is the right answer.
Thank you, ma'am.
Last question of your quiz competition is, how many years are there in a millennium? How many years are there in a millennium? Yes, Sujit?
Ma'am, 1000 years, ma'am.
1000 years. Very good.
Thanks, ma'am.
This might be the last question of the whole quiz competition, I think.
Yes, ma'am.
Am I right?
Yes, ma'am. This is the last and final question of the round. In fourth round, what is the score? In fourth round, both the teams scored 40 and 40. Okay.
Madam, please tell who is the winner then. Please tell who is the winner of the whole show. Please share with us.
305 for Group A and 260 for Group B. Well played, both Group A and B. It was a tight competition.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Mrs. Urmila Singh, Mrs. Ishita Gupta, and all the participants who are here for delivering this entire show. This was very nice first, and it was the first attempt from your side and from our side also. I think Secretary Sir is with us. Sir, if you want to share a few words to encourage these children.
Thank you, everybody. The technical side, the children. It is a fantastic program, I will say. The program is fantastic.